Namaskar to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday, I have posted a class on fraction, addition of fraction. So there, so many problem has been solved. Now today, I will solve some problems on arrange in ascending order. Okay. Suppose normally the natural numbers, these are the natural numbers. So arrange in ascending. Ascending means upward. That means increasing. Increasing means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Ascending means smaller value to bigger value. In case of natural numbers, you will obviously find which is smallest 1, then greater 2, then 5, then 7. You have done in the previous classes, but we are discussing chapter fraction. That means this is not a whole part. Suppose 2 by 7, 11 by 14. Okay. So you do not guess that which is greater, which is smaller, until the denominators converting into like. অর্থাৎ যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত না তুমি এই ডিনোমিনেটরগুলোকে সমান দেখাচ্ছ, অর্থাৎ দিস আনলাইক ফ্র্যাকশনস আনটিল কনভার্টেড ইনটু লাইক ফ্র্যাকশনস, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত তুমি কিন্তু বুঝতে পারবে না হুইচ ইজ গ্রেটার, হুইচ ইজ স্মলার. দিস ইজ দ্য মেন থিংস. বাট দিস ওয়ার দ্য ন্যাচারাল নাম্বারস 1 2 3 4 5. So obviously you can understand that which is smaller and which is greater. But in case of a fraction, normally we do not identify which is greater, which is smaller. Now what is the process? How to understand among 4 fraction which is smallest, among 4 fraction which is greatest? So there is a process. Number 1 process that I have already said. At first, convert the denominator into their like denominator. There was 7, there was 14. Now 14 and 7. Try to convert this 7, 14 and this 14 will remain unchanged. So to convert 7 into 14, multiply by 2, also multiply by 2 to the numerator. Now it is 1 and multiply by 1. So 4 divided by 14 it is, and it is 11 divided by 14. Okay, so both are like fraction. Both are like fraction. Now you can say now 4 divided by 14 it is smaller, 11 divided by 17 it is greater. Okay, so what is the first method? To convert the unlike denominator into their like denominator. And how to convert the unlike denominator into like denominator? By finding LCM. That is the second process. I am going to the second process. Suppose half, 1/3, 2/5. You do not know a series of fraction. You do not know which is greater or which is smaller. But you have to arrange into ascending order. So how do you understand? At first there is 2 denominator, there is 3 denominator, there is 5 denominator. So these are all unequal. Their denominators are unequal. So what is the first step? At first find their LCM. 2, 3 and 5. In any case, any kind of problems, when you will arrange in ascending or descending order or find the largest largest find the smallest, you will apply this process. If the denominator are unequal, so at first find their LCM and look very carefully. The denominators are unlike, different. So, is there any common factor among this number except one? Only one is the common factor. So, it is meaningless. If you do it, you will get return these numbers. So, when you will find the denominator are unlike, that means different, always find their LCM by product 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. So 30 is the LCM. Now try to convert each of the fraction, their denominator, into 30. Then automatically all fractions will contain 30 denominator. Okay. Now this is the process. Now what is the LCM? 30. Now you want to convert this denominator part into 30. Now multiply by 15. Then also multiply to the numerator by 15. So 15 divided by 30. This is the first fraction. It was half. It is converted into 15 by 30. Next, 1/3. Now convert into denominator 30. So multiply by 10. Also it is multiply by 10. 10 divided by 30. Okay. Now 10 divided by 30. So it is also converted into a like fraction. Okay. Now that's a third. 2 by 5. Now convert into 30. Convert into 30 and multiply by 6. Multiply by 6 also. So 12 by 30. Now observe very carefully. Each of the fraction contain 30 as their denominator. Okay. So compare all fractions out of 30. So out of 30 15, out of 30 10, out of 30 12. Which is smallest? 10 by 30. Which is greater than 10 by 30? This is and this is third number. So ascending order, 10 by 30 comes from 1/3. 12 by 30 comes from 2 by 5. 15 by 30 comes from 1 by 2. So in this way you will arrange according to their value. Okay. Now this is the process to convert the unlike denominators into like denominators at first. So for this you have to calculate the LCM of the denominator. Okay. I am giving another example. Suppose 3, 5 and 15. 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 7 by 15. Now all fractions contain denominator are unlike. Okay, so first find the LCM of the denominator. Find the LCM. Now these are not all prime numbers. They are composite numbers and they have a common factor. So factorize. 3 1 jar, 5, 3 5 jar. Next 5 1 jar, 5 1 jar, 5 1 jar. What will be the LCM? LCM will be product of the factor 3 into 5 and there have 1. So 15. Okay. I am applying the another method, short tricks. Without converting the LCM into the denominator, you may also calculate in short method. What is the short method? Suppose 4 divided by 5. Just you multiply by the LCM. Then you will get a whole number. Okay. By comparing the numbers, you will obviously find the largest and smallest fraction. So 5 3s are. So 3 4s are 12. There was a fraction, but the result is a whole number. Next, 2 divided by 3 multiply by 15. 3 5s are 15. Now whole number 5 2s are 10. Next, 7 divided by 15 multiply by the LCM. 15 15. Lowest term 7. Now it is first, it is second, it is third. So this is the process to find the fractions according to their order, that means ascending order or increasing order. So this much for today. To the next classes, we will discuss the lowest term of fraction, okay, the subtraction of fraction and some simplification. Suppose all operations will be given together. All operations will be given together. Suppose addition, subtraction, multiplication, all will be in a single problem. So how we will simplify the problems, that will learn in the next classes. Okay, thank you.